Well, it fits kind of. Good morning internet, it is 9:45 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. I am now in Springbok in South Africa, and in this video I'm just going to take you with me through all the preparations that I have to do before I can cross the border into Namibia. So there are 2 parcels actually arriving for me here that I have to pick up, and I'll show you what they are. I have to prepare Savannah and myself. I'm going to do a COVID test here in Springbok. My recent information showed that I can actually do a quick test right at the border, but you can have to wait in line for like 2 hours if you're unlucky, and it will be a long ride that day anyway, so I decided to just do it here in the clinic, so I don't have to wait 2 hours at the border, and it's also 3 times I think as cheap to do it here. So I thought, why not, let's just make sure that I have all of that done, and then when I have the negative test result we're gonna cross into Namibia. Right, we'll start with the most important thing. Actually, the main thing why I came here to Springbok is to pick up my parcel from Revit. I am getting new Revit motorcycle clothing. So I'm really happy with that, because now that I'm getting to Namibia, it is going to get very hot. Even in this time of the year. Namibia is going to be boiling. So Revit sent me their new adventure suit, the Sand 4. So I'm super excited to pick it up now. So the courier company, it's somewhere here. Not entirely sure. So, see if it's here then. No idea where I'm supposed to pick up this parcel. Hello?
Hello.
I came to pick up a parcel.
A parcel?
Yeah. That came with the courier.
With a courier?
Yeah. Is it here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, thank you. No idea where I have to be. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, you?
Good, thanks. I'm came to pick up a parcel that came with the courier.
Not the first bike you see, we had second bike is standing.
Oh, on the other bike. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Oh, here it is, yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Can I ask you something? I'm looking for my parcel that came with this courier.
Courier, a parcel that came with a courier.
Yeah.
Courier.
Huh?
Which courier? Main ITT.
I don't know the name of the courier.
Because ITT is around the corner. Other courier is SL Logistics.
Ah.
Let me show you. There are a lot of couriers in the facility.
Ah, okay.
The one there at the corner is SL, because they usually do large equipment. And then the other one is around the corner. It's ITT, Intertown Trans.
Yeah, that's the one.
All the way around.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Well, nobody said this was easy, but I'll get there in the end. Where am I? Do you know where is this ITT?
ITT.
Yeah.
That depot there.
Oh, that one.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Thanks. This one. Would it be here? Oh, I see parcels. All right. Well, it fits kind of. When I saw the box, I was like, cool, I don't know if that will fit. Everything fits on little Savannah. Quite a strange place to pick up your parcel, but it worked. It got here and I have it. There we go. Let's open up the box. Let's see what we got. New gloves. Wow, these look awesome. Some underclothing, which is nice. Ah, this is the back protector. Then we got some some new t-shirts as well. That's always great. And then this is it, the Sand4 jacket. And the Sand4 pants. Alright, I already changed to my new base layer and one of Rabbit's new t-shirts. It's always really nice to have some new clothing because obviously I can't bring a lot of clothes with me, so you end up wearing the same thing all the time. But I just want to try my new suit on, see how it fits. And I just want to investigate a little bit where all the zippers are, because this suit is, wow, it's got a lot of ventilation zippers. I see one here at the arm here, but I think this, yeah, this is the nicest. Look at that. So the zipper here at the front, this is all ventilation, so you can open this when you're riding in the heat. And then I think one, yeah, one here. One here the pants, and one there. So yeah, this is going to be so nice when riding through hotter areas. Ooh, wow, oh, cool. Alright, the pants. Oh, it's like Christmas. I think as most of you know, since September last year I became a Revit ambassador, which I am super happy with. And well, they've just been looking after me really well and supporting me on my journey. There we are, then, last thing. These are the new Sand4 gloves, and they look so cool. Look at that. I think they look so much cooler than the previous one. Because I had the Sand3, I think, still. These are my old gloves. I think it's Sand3. Doesn't say. So these are the ones that I took with me in South America. But now I have these ones. Wow. They look really awesome. I really like these type of gloves. Alright, here we go. Pathcare. It's the place where I can get the test done. I have an appointment. How does this work? Well, it also took 2 hours here, but I have the papers negative. So I am all set to go to Namibia, and now I don't have to wait at the border, which is really nice. Alright, I'm looking for a car wash to give Savannah a wash because she is super filthy. So let's try and what is this? Let's at least try to enter Namibia relatively clean, and then we'll see what happens. Hi, I'm actually looking for a car wash.
Car wash?
Or a place to get my bike washed.
Oh yeah, you go to Caltex.
Ah, Caltex. Okay, cool. Thank you. Next petrol station then. Hi, how are you? I was wondering if my bike could get a wash.
Yes.
Yeah? Put it here? How much is it?
50 rand.
Okay. Oh, chair for me. Oh,
I'm a gentleman.
oh, so nice. Thank you. All right, Savannah is super clean again. So let's go back to the lodge. Clean out the air filter. It's the next thing on my list. Look how incredibly clean my Savannah is at the moment. They did a really good job, so I'm happy. So things like checking my air filter and cleaning the airbox and chain maintenance and that sort of thing is just like the normal basic maintenance that I always do. But normally I don't really film it. But today I was like, why not? Let's do this also. So what I like about this bike is that it's super easy accessible, because on Ronin, my Honda CB500X, the airbox is really hard to reach and you have to take off the tank and all of that. There's one more here. It's obviously because that Honda is more street orientated, whereas this is a proper dual sport. I have done a fair bit amount of sand riding since I left Cape Town. That my airbox is already quite filthy. This is how my filter looks now. Still pretty okay. Just gonna that's also done. Okay, something else important arrived because as you can see here, there seems to be something missing. You can see that my chain guard is gone. This happened a little while ago when I was riding somewhere in the Karoo. I still do not know what happened. It is the strangest thing, but at some point I stop and I look and the chain guard, I think it got hit by a rock or something and then got broke. I have no idea how it happened. Anyway, it was kind of wrangled in between my tire and my chain. I can't believe I didn't get a puncture or I don't know, damage my chain. Luckily that didn't happen, but I had to take it off on the side of the road. But now I got a new one. Let's see. Yes. I'm gonna just put the bolts back. And I was laughing because this is just one of those typical things, you know, when you're on the road you just get unexpected stuff like that to happen, and you don't really know what happened. just gonna solve the problem. That's the main thing. Right, that's all done. So that was it for today. I really hope you enjoyed all this preparational work. And yeah, in the next video I'm going to cross the border into Namibia. I'm really super looking forward to it. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video.